to your third C++ OpenGL tutorial. Last time, I think the last tutorial we did was, at the end of it, we downloaded the GLFW. We introduced ourselves to the GLFW and we downloaded it from the website www.glf.org. So now, after downloading it, I stored mine in the desktop, which is here. GLFW is a zip folder, yes, that contains the library and the include folder. So this time around, we'll try to link GLFW that we downloaded into our OpenGL program. So GLFW, remember, it's a window and a context creation library for OpenGL. So first thing, we're gonna open code blocks. Let me cancel. Open code blocks. Then sorry. So open code blocks. Yeah, my code block is here. Try to open it. I don't know why it's not. Open code blocks. Yeah. So let's open code blocks, and we're gonna link this to the GLFW we downloaded, the zip folder. Inside the zip folder, we have the include folder and the libmain GW. So minimize this in. Now create a folder that will contain your projects and your libraries, I think. So let me call it projects OpenGL projects. So now open your GLFW zip folder you downloaded from the internet, from their website. Now we are interested in these two folders here, the include folder and the libmain GW. So copy these two folder here, copy, then paste them into your project folder. So this will contain your projects and the include folder and the library. So any library you downloaded, any other library will be stored here, every of your library. So here are the include folder. Remember, we store it in the project library, a project folder we created, this new one created for our project. So next thing, on now create new project. Go to console here, go next C++ here. So we are using C++. So I'm naming it OpenGL tutorial. Yeah, that's it. So finish. Here's our source, click it. So now this is the template for console program. So let's run it, our C++ console program. So yeah, everything is working fine. So in the next video, we're gonna link it and I will explain every details about it. So pretty much sure everybody know how to use C++, know everything about all these things here, so no need for explanations. So in the next video, we're gonna go to our project and link our library, go to the build options, then we're gonna do some stuff here. So never mind, we'll see you in the next video, in the fourth video, so we can link our GLFW to our OpenGL program.